Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Right now it's review time. I'm going to do a review and a shave of these two razors, which are the most popular razors made by Merkur in Solingen, Germany. It's the 23C, which is a three-piece razor, and the 34C, also known as the HD, which is a two-piece razor. I'll start with the 23C. This razor weighs in at 2.2 ounces or 62 grams. The overall length is 4.25 inches or 108 millimeters. Now the 34C. This razor weighs in at 2.7 ounces or 78 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.25 inches or 82 millimeters. And if you look at them side by side, you can see that there's about exactly 1 inch difference in the length of the handles. 23C is thinner, 34C is thicker and shorter. Both are excellent shaving razors, fantastic for everyday use, which is what I have right now. This is a 1 to 2 day beard growth on my face, so if you're an everyday shaver, I'm going to shave with these and you can see how it works out. And these razors, you can start shaving with them today, use them for the next 10 years, and more than happy with them, because this is my personal razor. These are actually both my personal razors. And you can see that the 34C is a bit worn more. I've had it for about 10 years and it's got a lot of good use put into it. Both razors have similar knurling on the handle, easy to grip even with wet or soapy shaving cream laden fingers. I'll perform a shave with both of these razors and you can see how they work. First step, warm the face. Best to shave after a shower, if you can. If not, warm your beard properly. This is Tobbs Rose, Taylor of Old Bond Street, Rose Shaving Cream. It's a little bit pink and it's got a wonderful rose scent, floral scent. My brush is a Chubby 2, Simpson's Chubby 2. Let's clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. And dry the fingers. Always good to dry the fingers before you pick up any sharp object. Okay, the 23C, we'll load this baby up. As I said, it's a three-piece razor. Separate all the parts. Let's drop in a blade. This is an Astra blade. And just reassemble. And then the 34C, two-piece razor. Spin the dial at the bottom, comes apart in two pieces, which is pretty sweet. Drop in a blade. Same blade, Astra blade, Superior Platinum. It's the one in the green pack. I've got both razors loaded up. I'm just going to warm them up under the hot water. So we have warm steel on face instead of cold steel on face. Okay, here we go. I'm going to start right up here at the top by the sideburns and cut them. Start straight like this and tilt slightly upward to find that angle, and then work the way down. Flip it over when one side is full. And let's rinse that off. Now a quick rinse off. Now you can feel around on your face and see how smooth it is. If you feel like you're nice and smooth, baby smooth, you can stop right there after the first pass, or you can perform another pass, which I will do. Want to get real nice and smooth, so I'll relather with the brush. Clear the runways again. Okay, now I'll go against the grain on my neck from bottom to top. These sides are full, now we'll use the other side. And I'll go across the grain from my ear to my nose. A little cleanup around the lips here. And okay, excellent. Very nice. We'll rinse these off. I'll take my wide stick Allen block and just run this under the cold water and glide this all around. This will seal off any small nicks you may get, and it's a nice finish to your shave. Feels really good. It's a natural stone. It comes from the earth. Just let that soak in for 30 seconds to a minute, and then rinse that off. Pat the face dry. And what goes good with the rose shaving cream? We'll go with the George F. Trumper Coral Skin Food, also pink. A few drops. This is pretty thick, which is nice. On the fingertips, massage that in. Also a sweet floral scent. Final thoughts, and I know what you're going to ask me, which one do you prefer? Okay, I'll go out on a limb, and I will say that given the choice between the two, the 23C or the 34C, the HD, I would go with the 34C. In my opinion, it's just a much slicker blade loading mechanism. To me, it's very simple. Unscrew the handle, separate, pop in a blade, screw it back together, and boom, get right back to work. Nice and easy. Now, the other thoughts are that if you're of a larger stature, you have big hands, you might prefer the longer handle on the 23C. But keep in mind it is thinner, which shouldn't be a game changer. Go with whatever you feel is best. As with everything else, shaving is personal preference. So whatever you like, that's what you want to do. Whatever works better for you. 23C, 34C. I'll put a link under the video where it says show more. Just click on that and you can get all the items shown in the video. Thanks very much for watching. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day.